Hi, this is Jonathan with Van Windows Direct. Today we're excited to introduce you to our new double slider. This model is going to be for the Ram ProMaster van and it will fit the 136, 159, and 159 extended wheelbases. We currently have the passenger side sliding door and the driver side forward position in this style here. From the outside you'll see a nice flattened glossy framework. Blends in with the glass nicely to be nice and sleek. You'll also notice that we have two sliding panels. Slide from the rear or from the front. Have very large openings on either one, about 14 by 16 inches. Or you can have both of them open at the same time, giving you plenty of configurations for your interior and great ventilation in a sliding style of window. When we look at the inside portion, you'll see a fully encapsulated rectangular framework. Pull up and you'll have a bug screen. Pull down, you'll have a 3-ply privacy panel. So this pleated shade here will have a UV center layer to cut down some of the UVs that come through the glass, and it's a 15% allowable solar privacy glass already, so you're going to have some great thermal support with this added shade. Also, from an interior build perspective, whether you're an upfitter, converter, or just simply a DIYer, going around this rectangular frame is going to be a lot easier than some of the oblong shapes that come with other styles of sliders and vented windows. So much easier on the interior build side, more value built in with your fully framed bug screen and pleated shade, and then two sliding openings to give you a great amount of ventilation and flexibility for your interior builds. So this is going to be models T905381. That's going to be for your driver side forward position, and T90583. That's going to be for the passenger side sliding door. These are available now on vanwindowsdirect.com. We'll provide you with links in the description, and then that way you can get your hands on this new beauty.